So if you're planning to start a business of selling physical products, I know one of the biggest challenges is always finding reliable vendors. But the good news is that there are a lot of platforms out there that you can actually search for suppliers yourself. And of course, in this video, I will show you a few real platforms where beginners use to find vendors and how you can start researching suppliers for your business. So the first thing you have to do is that you have to decide what products you want to sell. So even before you start thinking of vendors or searching for vendors, you just have to decide the products you want to sell. It can be beauty products, fashion items, hair products, accessories, home products. You see, you can pick any of that, or you have the particular one you have in mind. And once you have already known the product category, now it becomes much easier for you to search for suppliers that manufacture those particular things you're looking for, and they distribute them also. So the second thing you have to do is that you have to search on suppliers platforms. There are a lot of websites out there where manufacturers and suppliers, they list all the products that they sell in bulk. And of course, when you're going through these products or going through these platforms, you can type the particular product you're looking for and it brings out that. So now you have the opportunity to compare different suppliers. You look at things like product photos, minimum order quantity, pricing, and of course, reviews from other buyers. This helps identify suppliers that might be a good fit for your particular business. Now, the platforms that you can use to get these vendors are one, Alibaba. This is, of course, one of the most popular platforms for finding suppliers. Alibaba connects businesses with manufacturers and wholesalers that sell products in bulk. You can search for almost any kind of product on any platform. So you can search any kind of product on this particular platform. And when you search, please pay attention to things like verified supplier badges, customer reviews, minimum order quantity, product photos, and of course descriptions. These details will actually help you to identify the suppliers that might be reliable. Me, I buy based on reviews, so you can also use that also. Next thing is that you have to check global sources. Global sources is like another trusted platform. This platform also connects businesses with manufacturers and suppliers. Of course, many established brands already use these global sources to find manufacturers. So it's another place that you can compare suppliers and also compare products. The next thing you have to do is that you have to explore 1688. This is also another platform many online sellers use. Yes, 1688. This is it's similar to Alibaba, but often they have lower prices because many suppliers sell directly to businesses inside China through this 1688. But however, you usually require more research, and sometimes the website may just need you to translate them. So in case if it's not in your language, please translate it so you understand what you're buying or what they're saying on the platform. But many resellers still use it because of the pricing advantage. It's cheaper than the other ones out there. So it's left to you. If you want to use them, you just translate so you understand. So step 5 is that you always have to order samples. So no matter where you find these vendors, always order a sample before you place large order. This is a warning. This will actually help you to confirm the product quality, and then you make sure the supplier is ready to meet. Be sure before you invest so much money into this business. Always order few, not so much, to be sure of who you're buying from. That's something you have to put behind your mind. So now, when you're still finding vendors by doing all your own research and all these platforms, you can take your time to sort through different suppliers and figure out which one are actually trustworthy. So if you want to save time, I have also put together an ultimate vendor list that includes verified suppliers for different kind of product categories. You can check it out in my digital store. The link is actually below there. Just click on it and you see everything you want there. And if you want more tips on starting an online business and building digital income, please make sure to subscribe. And thank you for stopping by. I'll see you all next time.